What's up everyone, my name's Fabian and I'm an arborist community expert for tree stuff, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your lanyard system in an SRS configuration without side loading your carabiners. Because we all know side loading our carabiners is not good, it's a lot weaker than when it's loaded against the spine. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that simply, and this kind of helps with triangulation. So like when I'm doing work out in the field, I run a little bit longer lanyard. I run a 20-foot lanyard. So what we want to start off with is give ourselves some distance away from the limb that we're going to be wrapping around. We're going to put our line through the carabiner like that. Give ourselves a little bit more. And we're going to do 2 wraps around. And then close. And then now we've got these wraps that are along our spine. And what I like to do is I'll move my system over here to my ring or my second bridge. On my other saddle I run 2 bridges, but now we can see that this is being loaded against the spine and not side loaded. One thing I want to note is you can move this up a little bit, but we want to make sure it's far enough away that when we do go to move, we're not side loading this on any part of the tree, because even if it's loaded on the spine, if we come over and then now we're side loading our carabiner, we're getting the same result as, you know, if we were just to cinch it straight up to the limb. So now I'm here. Now I can work both of these systems and come out here on a limb and triangulate myself to where now I can do some work here, or maybe I've got to do it on this side here. And this is just a quick, easy way, you know, if you're trying to get some triangulation and still have that second point of attachment when you're cutting and using a chainsaw. And then it's just as simple as, you know, tending both of your systems coming back. And then once you get here, you know, put all your weight into this one. Just simply loosen up, take these wraps off, just as so. And then you're good to pull your carabiner out and put your system back on how you have it stowed. So that's just an easy, simple way to set up in a single rope configuration with your lanyard without side loading carabiners.